Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the game may not run to the limited graphics card error code for inZOI, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and type in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, you can look for Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver. From here you can make your way either to search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. I recommend doing search automatically for drivers, it's more easier in my opinion, but anyways, once that's done, that is method number one. The second method you guys can try doing is going over to GeForce Experience if you have NVIDIA, and if you have AMD you can use the AMD equivalent app. But what you can do is make your way over to the GeForce Experience app and go over to drivers. From drivers, what you want to do is you want to look for if you have any updates available. Click on check for updates. If you do, download the latest drivers update, and if you don't, then you are good to go. Now the third thing you guys can do is updating the drivers manually just by going into Google and just typing in GeForce Experience latest NVIDIA drivers, and same thing for AMD. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. You can always try restarting your PC after updating as well, and once you're done with that, you guys are good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.